So I'm over here vlogging with the Z6 ISO 10,000. It's actually dark outside, but I'm trying to bring out the daylight, and let's see how well it does. That's what it looks like, and it works pretty well. So the first thing you need in this setup is your phone, because you already have your Z6, right? So the first thing you need here is your phone, and I mean, I'm pretty sure every phone today has Wi-Fi in it, so that shouldn't be a problem. And then you need an external microphone. I think this was like $20 or something like that. But you actually don't need this, so this is not a necessity, so I'm not gonna add this to the total cost of what it took to put this together. So basically all you need is your phone, and then you need these little attachments, this and this. Okay, so you have this one. This one is basically this one is a horseshoe mount. A horseshoe mount that splits up into three horseshoe mounts. So the base here mounts on your camera, and then you have here, here, and here to put whatever you want to put on there. So we're gonna put this on the camera, and we're gonna put the phone on one of these, and then the mic on the other one. So, and then you have this. They actually sell this as it's called a phone mount. I will put the links below. So this is a phone mount. It's just a little phone mount that opens up, and it has the hole in the back, so it screws on. It's less than $10. I mean, probably like $5. And then this one is also a ball joint. It's a little ball joint mount here, and this is important to be able to mount the phone on this, and also control whether you want to tilt your phone screen down or up based on how you're holding your vlogging camera. Here, this is a pistol grip. I think I bought it for $11 on Amazon some time back. I'll find the link. So it's just a simple grip that opens and closes, and this one is quite plasticky. It's not that strong. There might be stronger ones out there, but this just makes it easier for you to grip the camera while you're vlogging, so you don't have to depend on just the camera. It's safer to put it on here, and I like to put it on backwards. And then you just have to download SnapBridge and connect the camera to the phone, and then you can live view whatever you're recording. It's quite easy. So this thing folds up like this into a pistol grip, and you can just pretty much grab it like that. You turn it around to face you like this. It's a more comfortable grip, and then you can actually wiggle this screen back and forth so that it faces you however you whatever angle you are shooting from. So once you have that, you're good to go. That's it. It's as easy as that. My arm hurts already. Jeez. Guys, so this is my Z6 quick setup, and I don't know how people do it, but I look crazy holding this monstrosity walking around. But it doesn't look too bad. It's, you know, the phone is working well, the Wi-Fi is pretty strong, so it's not too bad. I just wish it was not a mirror image, and that I could, you know, turn myself left and fix myself. But now I have to turn right to fix myself left. Well, So that's it, man. This is my little vlogging trick for Z6. You can vlog quite easily. You just hold this up and you can see yourself up there. And I keep looking up there instead of looking at the camera. I don't know what's wrong with me. Alright. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. See you.